mamela ungabathathi kancane labantu abathatha isikhathi ukulungelwa zizinto zabo. Ungabanyatsi labantu ekuthatha isikhathi ukuthi into zabo zihlangane. Indlovu yayazi ukuthi imitha almost 24 months, that means 2 years. But imithi usuka sambe mase ithe itete into engu-stand and go, itete into evele isuke ihambe. And hold on, ungabajahi. Sile type efika after inyembezi, sile type efika after bonke abantu sebe give up. Ungabadelela mzukwana izinto zabo zilunga. Kunento igama umama nomama ebuye Labour Ward, igama angalifuna empilweni yakhe li-1 nguPush. Yabona lelo wonke umuntu abanye aboma abade baqamba amanga bathi ngeke uphinde unibone kanti after 6 months bayabuyela futhi. But kuko konke noba kwenzakalani, push kulonyaka, push senza sure, push noma kwenzakalani, push egqibeleni izinto zakho zizode zilunge. But for now, let's give up. No matter kwenzakalani, let's give up. Give upping is not the way, give upping is not the option. Ngiyacela ithemba silahle, as long as uNkulunkulu esakupha amandla ukuthi uvuke uphila, yonke into oyifuna izokwenzeka egcineni. Sanibonani.